Hey, I'm Adam with Wings and Wheels, and today we are going to be talking about LXNAV's 3-in-1 instrument, the Air Data Indicator 2. Now this instrument is fully digital and functions as an airspeed indicator, altimeter, and a variometer. Now the ADI2 is the improved version of the older LXNAV Air Data Indicator. The main difference is that the ADI2 is EASA STC approved. Now, if we take a closer look at the unit, we can see that the ADI2 has a fully circular screen with one rotary knob for controls. Internally, you will find a backup battery with up to 3 hours of life. If you turn the unit on, you'll see upgrades from the original air data indicator in the user interface. On the main screen, you will find airspeed, altitude, and vario readings displayed, as well as 2 customizable numerical values above and below your altitude reading. And because of the ADI2 circular display allowing for more space, the battery status and the current QNH value are displayed as well. This circular design also allows for the airspeed readings to be shown at all times, even while in the setup menu. The true standout features of the ADI2 lie in the customization menus, but before we go there, let's go over what you can edit on the main menu. If you turn the rotary knob, you can edit your current altitude, making it easy to quickly set your elevation. If you press the rotary knob for 3 seconds, you will be brought to the setup menu. If you are inactive for more than 10 seconds, you will be brought back to the main screen. The white ring here will provide a countdown. The first menu available to edit is the display, where you can control the brightness while plugged into the external battery or while using the ADI2's internal battery. The next menu is for the layout of the instrument's main page. Here you can edit the colors and change the upper and lower numbers to display values such as outside air temperature, battery information, indicated airspeed, QFE, QNH, vario readings, altitude, flight level, and true airspeed. Unlike the original ADI, you have more color customization and can edit the layout by previewing the main screen in real time instead of constantly going back and forth from the main page to the setup menu. Next is the installation menu. The first time you access this menu, you won't need to enter a password. However, after the initial setup, you're going to need to enter the password given to you when you buy the product if you want to access this menu. Here you can edit features such as the units, speed rings and markings, Wi-Fi, ASI orientation, the true airspeed calculation method, the vario filter, and the temperature offset. The final 2 settings are where you can enter admin passwords here, and the About page where you can see the unit serial number and the firmware version. Alright, well that is going to be it for this video. If you're interested in an ADI2 for yourself, I've linked our website in the description below where you can learn more. But other than that, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.